Okay, to me. Okay, hello, my name is Jan. I'm going to teach you how to cook eggs. So, before you start cooking eggs, make sure the egg is raw. Come here. Oh, yeah. Point the camera here. So, to make sure that the egg is raw, spin it. If it's not spinning at one point, that means there's liquid inside. So, center of gravity is always changing because it's liquid. Not like a hard-boiled egg. It'll just spin in one point. Okay. Okay, so when you crack an egg, always crack it down the middle. I suggest that you learn how to crack an egg with one hand. It's very, very good. Okay. So I've heated the skillet. I've added oil to medium heat. A tip, wait, up here. You make sure that the pan is not too hot, or else once you add the egg, it'll stick to the pan right away. It'll be very hard to clean after. Okay, I think the pan is hot. Okay, okay, watch my egg. Look. Oh, center, you see? Look. Oh, and then like this. Snap with your fingers. Your index and your thumb, right? Okay, break it like that. Okay, you see the egg, and throw it away. So the skillet is not hot enough, so now it's not cooking. We have to wait a few minutes before it can cook. Okay. One tip: do not add seasoning yet while it's cooking. You add seasoning after, or else you will contaminate the oil with seasoning. The next egg that you cook will be too seasoned if you add season again after you cook it. So don't season till after. Okay, the egg is starting to cook because the pan is hot. Okay, look, point the camera here this way. Okay, this example that I'm going to show you is a sunny side up egg, but my way. Okay, so notice that the egg is sticking to the pan. That's because the pan is too hot. So I'm going to try to loosen it. But don't try to loosen it if it's not cooked or fully white, or else it'll disintegrate too early. Alright, okay. And sometimes what I like to do, I like to cook the top by pushing the oil on top of the egg like this with a spatula. That way you have more, how you say, rigidity at the top, so it doesn't spill when you flip it like this. Look, watch. Oh, okay. That's not a good example, but I flipped it, so now the other side will cook. So it will cook evenly. Okay, we're gonna wait for that to cook, and then I'll taste it. You might see that the egg is sticking to the pan, so now you have these burnings stuck to the pan. That's because the pan is too hot. Make sure that the pan is not too hot. Low or medium is good. Okay, I'm going to flip it again. Okay, look, see the egg? Oh, wait. Oh, okay, take the egg and a plate. Use your spatula to move the egg to the plate, like this. Okay. Okay, while that's cooking, while that's cooling, I'm going to cook another egg. I'll do a taste test. Okay, I don't have any salt, so I'm going to use black pepper. Okay, and now I'm going to taste it. Look, you see the egg? Oh. It's excellent. Thank you for watching.